This is my girl right there. Nicole, what's up?
I just moved here.
How you doing? You sexy thing, you?
See, my brother.
Bizzo. Oh, and Miss Chelsea. Yes, we got the dream team right here. Bizzo and Miss Chelsea. That's what's up. What up? Fly by, are we flying by night or what?
You know, I'm not anything without the people around me.
Exactly.
Everything.
You know what? I'm nothing without you guys.
Yeah, you. Honey, don't even put me in this.
Hey,
you guys do all the work.
That's Bizzle right there.
Did we have fun tonight?
Yes, we did.
It wasn't the greatest. It wasn't the greatest.
I had fun. I had fun.
Some fucker bought 25 CDs.
Yes.
One shot.
That is.
Made the night worth it.
That is what.
Woo!
Mwah.
That's what makes it. That's what it is. 25 CDs? 25 CDs in one fucking night, Robbie?
Well,
is that what we're doing?
I just sold another.
Is that what's up?
We've actually sold 29 tonight.
Oh my goodness. 29, dog. Oh. This is fucking moment right here. Okay.
Is that mean? That might be a mean.
Somebody tells me to take you
Yeah.
And that's why tonight they kept handing me money. Dude handed me money. I'm like, talk to my manager.
29 CDs. Yeah, that's Fly My Night for you. This is what it is. Right here. Take a picture. Keep it in your memory. He's shy easy. Easy low. Doing it. All right? Young Executive Records.